To permanently delete your Instagram account, you can follow these steps. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Now, once on your profile, tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen. Then, you will have to tap on the account center at the top. Inside account center, you can tap on the personal info option available there. Once inside the personal details, tap on the account ownership and control. Once you tap on the account ownership and control, tap on the deactivation or deletion option available there. Now tap on your profile again. Now tap on the delete account option, then tap on the continue. Now once you do so, you'll be navigated to the options where Instagram will ask you why you are deleting this account. You'll have to choose one of them, or you can simply tap on the other and navigate to the another questions. So I'm simply choosing the first one. Tap on the continue. Again, tap on the continue. Now here you'll have to enter your account password and your account will be temporarily deleted. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.